students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 8, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, exercise 8.2, question number 4. The question is, obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. So, they have given 4 problems. For that, we have to find out the volume of the rectangular box. So, generally, the volume of the rectangular box is given by V is equal to length into breadth into height. So, we need to multiply the length with breadth as well as height. So, here for each and every problem they have given length as well as breadth as well as height. Just multiply all the values. So, consider the first problem. We have length is equal to 5a, breadth is equal to 3a square and then height is equal to 7a power 4. So, we need to find out the volume. Volume is given by length into breadth into height. So, just multiply all these values. So, 5a into 3a square into 7a power 4. So, generally whenever we have variables, that is we have terms in the expression, then first multiply the constant terms. Take constant terms first, multiply those values. So, what are all the constant terms? We have 5 and then 3 and then 7. Multiply those values first. And then what are all the variables we have? Here it is a, here it is a square, here it is a power 4. Here all the variables are same. So, a is given in all the 3 terms. So, it is easy for us to multiply. So, 5 3s are 15, 15 into 7, 7 5s are 35. So, you have 3, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3, it is 10. So, 105. So, the constants when you multiply we get 105. And then since all the term we have same variable a, so write a for only one time and then add the power. So, here we do not have power, meaning that it is a power 1. So, just add the power. What are all the powers we have? 1 and then 2 and then 4. So, it is given by 105 and then into a power, add just all the values. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 it is 7, a power 7. So, the final answer is 105 a power 7. So, since it is a constant, we cannot multiply, that is simplify that, right, with the variable. So, this is separate, this is separate. So, we can remove the multiplication term, meaning that we have multiplication in between these two things. So, it is 105 a power 7. That is the answer for the first problem. So, coming to the second problem. We have length is equal to 2p, breadth is equal to 4q, height is equal to 8r. So, breadth is equal to 4q and then height is equal to 8r. So, volume is given by length into breadth into height. So, it is 2p into 4q into 8r. And in each and every term, just take the constants first. So, what are all the constants? We have 2 into 4 into 8 and then multiply the variables. What are all the variables available? P, Q and then R. So, 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. And then since we have 3 different variables, we cannot merge it. So, just write P, Q, R as it is. Why? Because we cannot merge these variables. So, P is occurring one time, Q is occurring one time, R is occurring one time. So, just this I can write it as 64 P, Q, R. That is it. Okay. And then coming to the third problem. So, here length is given by xy, breadth is given by 2x square y and height is given by 2xy square. So, volume is given by length into breadth into height. So, which is xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So, again coming to the constants. So, what are all the constants available? 2 and 2. So, just multiply those terms first. 2 into 2 and then what are all the variables available? Here it is x into y. Here it is x square into y. Here it is x into y square. So these are all the variables. So 2 2s are 4. And then coming to the variables, I have x variable and y variable. So I need to take x separately and I need to take y separately. So what are all the power of x? Here it is 1, here it is 2, again here it is 1. When you don't have any power, meaning that the power value is 1. Just add all the power values. What are all the power values? 1 plus 2 plus 1. So since we have 3 times x value, you can write only one time. Just add the power value 1 plus 2 plus 1. Similarly, how many times y is occurring? 3 times it is occurring. Only one time you can write. Just add the power. Here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2. So it is simply, what is the constant? 4. And then what about the first variable x? What about the power? 1 plus 2 plus 1, it is 4. And then y, power is 1 plus 1 plus 2, it is 4. So the answer is 4, x power 4, y power 4. That is the answer for the third problem. Then coming to the fourth problem, L is equal to A, B is equal to 2B, H is equal to 3C. So the volume is given by length into breadth into height. Length is given by A, breadth is given by 2B, height is given by 3C. So again, what are the constants available? Here it is 2, here it is 3. Just multiply those two values. 2 into 3. Then multiply the variables. What are the variables? A, B, C. So A, B, C. And here the 3 different variables are there which is not repeated. So 2 3s are 6. Just write A, B, C as A, B, C. That's it. Why? Because each and every term it is occurring only one time, which is nothing but 6 A, B, C. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.